Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in... Ooh, nice interior. Okay, that's not so nice. Okay, but what car is this? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna talk about eCarExpo. Next weekend, 7th to 9th of February, we will have the second eCarExpo this time. And it's already the most awesome eCarExpo in Norway. And this time it will be even bigger and larger. And it's based on only EVs. You don't have to waste time going to other expos. You can come to this. And okay, I have some footage from last year. You can see how it is. There will be lots of interesting EVs out there. Not only expensive luxury cars, but also more affordable cars. There will be charging solutions and energy solutions, and also some future mobility. And I'm gonna be there, of course. On Friday, I'll be shooting some video in the beginning, and then I'll just chill somewhere and you can meet me. And then on Saturday, I will be on stage with Fred Magne-Skillebæk from Elbil24. We'll have something called Sofapraten. And then once I'm done with that, I will also just chill somewhere. So there should be plenty of opportunities for you guys to meet me. So if you love EV, this is the expo to come to, because it's only for electric cars and electric mobility. So just go buy ticket now, and then we'll see at Nova Spektrum. That's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.